our beloved Ustad, Akram Ustad, will give some words to us.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's a fine occasion, alhamdulillah. Once again, I thank for our chief dignitary of the day, is Sadaqatullah Bilali. Jazakallah khairan jaza for arriving our premises. Alhamdulillah. We are the students are eagerly waiting for this event. To our chief dignitary of the day, Mr. A. Sadaqatullah Bilali, what to speak to us? What speak to our students is we are eagerly waiting for us. The couple of minutes I have that to motivate our students. Okay. Our institution. First of all, I introduce our institution. Our Atai institution have more than 40 plus premises in overall Tamil Nadu. Especially in our Kambam premises is a specialty is what how the students or what how in the talent is improved by our premises, our campus. What is the reason? But we are Ustad are friendly Ustads and we have gathered the students what have the talent. We have that speaking talent, we have that writing talent. Any one of you will be realize that and the Ustad and the students are both are improve our skill. Is the reason of our Atai Kambam branch are leading in the other campuses. Once again, your dream become true, inshallah. First of all, you believe yourself. Every stage I told that. First of all, you believe yourself. The world are doubt to you. The parents are don't believe. The teachers are don't believe. The relatives, your friends are not in the world. If anyone believe you, it's not a matter. It's not a matter. First of all, you believe yourself. I can do it. I can become this is my dream. I can become a doctor. I can become a great alim. I can become a khidmat. I can become a good ustad. Whatever we have in your dream, first of all, believe in yourself. Then will be achieved in one day. I like to share one butterfly story. The butterfly in their become before the butterfly, there will be a earthworm. You all know that. The earthworm are eating the leaf. The leaf are made by the nest. In the before like the 30 days we have in the nest, we have more struggles in our life. If it thought us, if it will be broke the nest, we will be not be a look like a good butterfly. That like our life. If you have more struggles, more troubles in our life, your after life, your future life will be better than. But if you did not accept your struggles, accept your pain, if not, your future is not bright. Okay? Then also we have that. If you spend any one of you, if you have any one of education or anything, if you have spent for it. One, if you have money, then if you have your time, if you have to improve your talent in any one of that. If you have that, if you desire that, if you have first of all spend that for money or time. Money is your money and time is your effort. Effort for this will be improve in your skill with the master. Jazakallah khairan jaza for giving this opportunity. Once the last part of this session, don't wait for the opportunity to create the opportunity. Jazakallah khairan jaza. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.